everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Dr. Jayashree Mahajan. Today I'm going to explain you if you are pregnant and if you are bleeding in the first 3 months of your pregnancy, what are the reasons, what are the causes for it, and how seriously you should have to take it, and how can you prevent it. Okay, so let's get started. First thing, bleeding in the first 3 months, it's caused because of some time because of the implantation. What is implantation? When that embryo it is going to implant in the uterus, at that time there is some sort of spotting bleeding can happen, but if it is happening it is normal. It takes some time and it goes off, so it is not that much dangerous. So this is the first reason. Okay, second is if you are having a ectopic pregnancy, it is very dangerous. It is a very life threatening condition sometimes. What is ectopic pregnancy? Ectopic pregnancy, it is it कि when the embryo that it is should implant in the uterus, but in some conditions it implant outside the uterus in the fallopian tube, outside the uterus anywhere it can implant, so it is very dangerous. So it can't grow out of the uterus. So if it is start to grow, it can burst on it is very life threatening. So at that time you are getting some kind of spotting, some kind of bleeding, you are feeling fainting. So in some cases you have abdominal pain. So this is ectopic pregnancy. You can diagnose it by sonography, or this is also a second condition that you have a bleeding in your pregnancy in the first 3 months. Okay, third condition, it is because of if you have some hurt to your cervix. What is it? If there is any cause, maybe in, in time of intercourse or any examination of your doctor, if your cervix get touched and it can cause a bleeding. Why? Because at the time when you get pregnant now, the cervix and the uterus blood vessel are expanding and they're growing. So when you touch it, sometimes can you show a bleeding. Okay, uh, other things when you are getting bleeding, when you are having some stressful work, you are just keeping some weight in your hand which is above 30 kg, or when you are doing the intercourse, at that time also you are getting bleeding. So any kind of hurt to your uterus, it can cause a bleeding. So when the bleeding in the pregnancy started, so you have to take it some kind of seriously. Okay, why? Because it can cause a miscarriage, and miscarriage is not good for your pregnancy. So you have to firstly take the bed rest at that time of situation. Another second thing, you have to visit your gynecologist. They will prescribe you some medicine. They will do immediate sonography. They will see how much hurt is happening in your fetus. Third thing, you don't have to go for any traveling. You don't have to do any heavy exercise, heavy weight lifting, or any kind of intercourse. It is not good in that time. Okay, so I think you understand what are the causes, what are the causes of the bleeding in the first 3 of your pregnancy, and you can avoid it. You can take a medicine, you can do a bed rest, and the pregnancy grow afterwards. So you have to take it very carefully. So I hope you understand my topic, like it. Second trimester, third trimester bleeding is also there, but what are their causes, what are their side effects, how you can prevent, I will explain in some other topics. So I hope you like it, my topic, you love it. If you like it, you love it, share it, subscribe it. Tab tak ke liye goodbye.